Established in 1933, Isgec began its journey as a sugar mill. What started as a single Indian factory has become an international powerhouse, and today it has matured into one of the country's premier companies, a heavy engineering conglomerate which is publicly traded on the Mumbai Stock Exchange and is a member of India's Fortune 500. Starting from that first sugar mill, this industrious company has marched in step with modern India. As the newly independent nation flexed her manufacturing muscles, Isgec followed suit by building on its success with sugar plants and machinery, including back-end and standalone sugar refineries. Isgec soon diversified into a variety of engineering products, from boilers to EPC power plants, process equipment, mechanical and hydraulic presses, steel and iron castings, air pollution control equipment, metal cutting machinery, and contract manufacturing. Complementing the expansion of its manufacturing capabilities, Isgec has also extended its geographical footprint. From its foundation at the sugar mill in Yamunanagar, today Isgec has engineering plants in Yamunanagar, Bawal, Muzaffarnagar, and Dahej, design offices in Noida, Pune, and Chennai, and a network of sales and service agents established worldwide. Isgec has ongoing strategic partnerships with a wide array of companies across the globe: Bosch Projects South Africa, Foster Wheeler USA and Foster Wheeler Spain, Bellelli Italy, ABB Loomis Heat Transfer USA, Envirotherm Germany, NEM Energy BV Netherlands, as well as a joint venture with Hitachi Zosen Corporation of Japan. The combination of engineering range with international reach has proved highly successful. The company's customers, located in over 80 countries across 6 continents, is a testimony to its excellence in product and project execution. Isgec has consistently complied with the most rigorous of international quality, safety, and environmental standards. Isgec takes pride in its design capabilities, especially when it comes to the designing of process plants. Whether it's for raw sugar, brown sugar, refined sugar, plantation white sugar, household white sugar, or liquid sugar, Isgec has the technical know-how and design experience. While continuously expanding its engineering skill set, Isgec has stayed true to its roots in sugar plants and machinery. In its key business vertical, the company has vast international experience, having worked on over 125 sugar projects, 625 boilers, 30 power plants, and 500 cane crushing mills across 40 countries. In sugar plants, one critical element sets Isgec apart from other manufacturers. We don't just design, build, and install plants. We own a sugar plant and use it to try out our technologies before offering them to our customers. We understand the perishable nature of the crop and the criticality of having the sugar mill up and running on time. Capitalizing on this hands-on experience, Isgec not only sets up sugar plants, but it is also involved with the entire project life cycle. From feasibility studies to consulting on efficiency improvements, from technical training to after-sales services. Every day across the globe, process plants designed by Isgec are running with high-reduced boiling house recovery of up to 92.17%, generating as much as 200 kilowatts of power per ton of cane, with steam consumption of less than 35%, plant power consumption of less than 28 kilowatts per ton, and reduced mill extraction of up to 98%. In milling tandems for juice extraction, Isgec offers a variety of technical options, from 1,250 to 30,000 tons of cane per day. The company has worked on mills with incline settings, horizontal settings with hydraulic drive, pinionless mills with AC variable frequency drive, planetary gearbox with rope coupling, as well as pinionless mills with assist drive. For even higher extraction, Isgec has supplied cane diffusers that employ a new low-pressure heating module. At the recently commissioned White Nile sugar plant in Sudan, processing 24,000 tons of cane per day, the full range of Isgec capabilities is on display, from plant design to project execution.
This is to consider one of the best factors in the world regarding the energy conservation, which contribute in the cogeneration for the producing sugar and cogeneration. And all in all, Isgec accumulated in-depth capability to meet the toughest schedule and deliver worldwide class performance. From the manufacturer up to commissioning, it takes 22 months. It is a record, really.
With our design and production teams based in India, thousands of miles from the site, the White Nile plant posed a major challenge.
More than 30,000 tons of machinery equipment need to be delivered. This is almost 1,500 containers from India to Port Sudan to the site. The site from Port Sudan almost so far, almost 1,200 kilometers. This is all machine have been delivered in time with the proper scheduling, the proper follow-up, and it's a miracle.
With financing of more than $1 billion invested in cane development, logistics, and construction, White Nile Sugar Company is one of the biggest greenfield integrated sugar complexes in the world. After all the big statistics, everything boiled down to a single key number: one more satisfied Isgec customer to add to a growing list across the globe. But Isgec isn't just about big projects. We have a very large number of small to medium sugar projects, ranging from 1,000 to 5,000 TCD, that have been successfully set up by us. Many have subsequently been scaled up to higher capacities. In many, we have also set up boilers for cogeneration of power. Isgec capabilities in setting up turnkey sugar projects, both big and small, include civil work.
Magdalena is the biggest sugar plant in the region, so it has a capacity of 42,000 tons per day. It's the bigger employer of the country, of the region. So in 2010, continuing with the growing of the plant, Magdalena decided to increase their generation department in capacity. So we started to look for suppliers for a boiler, turbo generator, and cooling tower. And during this process, we choose as an option to Isgec to be our supplier for the boiler and the whole equipment. And they did all the procurement and helped us during the erection and commissioning of our first plant. After that, we decided to continue working with them by buying another 2 units.
From its foundation as a sugar plant 80 years ago, this forward-thinking company has graduated to its standing today as a global powerhouse of heavy engineering. In the last 10 years, Isgec has executed orders worth over $2 billion, including $1 billion in Africa and $500 million in Latin America. With customers in 6 continents and a wide range of industry verticals, Isgec continues to march forward, advancing its technology, expanding its blue-chip client list, and always engineering for excellence.